All of us are stuck in our lives where we're not getting the results that we want.
You'll spend 23 hours and 55 minutes out of every day looking exactly like the people in this room, and then the crucial conversation will start.
In the moments when it matters most, we tend to do our absolute worst.
Crucial conversations tend to be uncomfortable and difficult. Can we make life a little bit easier on each other so that we can bring life back into the conversation and get into dialogue?
This is about speaking up with confidence, but we've got to balance with humility.
This life that I'm living, this life that you're living, it is going to be defined and determined by what you say yes to, but maybe more importantly, by what you say no to.
If you're already in a mess, you ain't got room to make one. How do I start to live my life in such a way that the whole ecosystem of my experience, I'm able to get on top of it instead of feel buried by it?
What's the one thing I need to do to get them to change? The very reason you and I fail at influence is because we do what I just described.
But if we want to change behavior, you've got to change your heart. Because this is about heart.